crossed the finish line? Oh my gosh, you had me all choked up.
You're the fastest car I've ever seen.
Hey, he doesn't even have headlights. They're just stickers.
Yep, little known fact, race cars don't need headlights. The track is always lit.
So's my brother, but he still needs headlights. I'm back. I got all the bugs out. I'm ready to go. Amazing what a little blast of caffeine can do. I can drive all night. No more stops till we get to California. Here we go.
Hey, McQueen, you need some lights? How about these?
That's nothing. Check these out over here.
How about this one?
Thanks, but I gotta find Mack. Mack! Mack? Where'd you go? Mack! Mack! Mack!
This guy's great. He's doing donuts for us.
I'll never wash this pavement again.
Oh, Mack! No, stop! Mack!
You be sure to come back now, you hear? Don't drive like my brother, and don't drive like my brother.
Mack! Mack! Wrong way? Wrong way!
Mack! Hey, Mack! 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 Mack, wait for me! Mack! 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 Wait up! Mack!
Mack! Stop! Mack! You're not Mack.
Turn on your lights, you moron!
The interstate.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
We siphoned your gas while you were passed out. Ka-chow.
Ow, ow, ow.